వికసిత్ వైబ్రెంట్ విలేజ్ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా పీఎం మోదీతో చిత్తూరు జిల్లా యువతి భవ్యశ్రీ రాష్ట్రం తరపున వర్చువల్ విధానంలో మాట్లాడారు. మై భారత్ వేదిక ద్వారా క్విజ్ పోటీలో పాల్గొనడం ద్వారా ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఎంపికైనట్లు ఆమె తెలిపారు. ఉత్తరాఖండ్ హర్షిల్ లోయలో ప్రజలు అధికారులు ఎంతో ఆప్యాయంగా స్వాగతం పలికారని తెలిపారు. అక్కడి సిబ్బంది క్రమశిక్షణ దేశభక్తి చూసి గర్వంగా అనిపించిందని అన్నారు.
నమస్కారం గౌరవనీయ ప్రధానమంత్రి గారు, నా పేరు భవ్యశ్రీ. నేను ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లోని చిత్తూరు జిల్లా తరపున మై భారత్
భవ్య గారు हाँ भव्या गारू बताइए, पहले अपने बारे में बताइए, फिर किस गांव में जाना हुआ, आपको आज सिलेक्शन कैसे हुआ, जाने से पहले मन में कितनी दुविधाएं थी, क्या डर था, वो बताइए.
Okay sir, I am the person who always learn beyond the academics and I am always curious to learn new things, sir. That's how I connected with My Bharat and participated in every quizzes and I got selected in Viksit Vibrant Village program. That was the greatest moment in my life and where I created so many memories. And here, while starting from my native place Chittoor, there was some fear inside me, like the lifestyle there was very new and the climate, food, culture, tradition, whatever it is, very new to us. But after reaching Harshil Valley in Uttarkashi, the interaction with the people and the warm welcoming of the officials was completely changed in my perspective. And we also interacted with ITBP officials also. So here we interacted with them and I saw their discipline, humility and dedication, commitment towards the nation, which made me proud to be an Indian, sir. And here we just met a local people, like in Harshil Valley, though such a cute and sweet people they are. They welcomed with a lot of they took care and shown love to us, and they just gave me an aloo paratha, which was very new to us, and we just saw new type of foods there, and we had different cultural activities also, sir. At the same time, and we had a convo with some ITP My Bharat officials there, where they took care of us, and we stayed in one homestay in Mukwa, where the birthplace of Ganga Ma. The interaction with them, people staying in home, that was very nice to us. It touched my heart, sir. Just in these 7 days, we felt like I am staying in my home only.
भव्या गारू, पिछले साल मार्च में ही मैं उत्तराखंड के मुखवा गांव गया था. और अब तो आप देख करके आई हो, सचमुच में बहुत ही खूबसूरत गांव है. अच्छा, मैं जानना चाहता हूं, क्या आप लोगों ने गांवों में अपनी उम्र के युवाओं के साथ मुलाकात की? उनसे किस तरह की बातें, उनकी क्या जिज्ञासाएं थी, क्या जानना चाहते थे?
Yes, sir. Before that, I want to share that one thing in this beautiful part of this program was we met different young people from different states. We spoke different languages and came from different culture. But within few days, we became close friends and like a family. Here we came as a strangers, but left as a one family, sir. That is the real vibe of India. And at the same time, here people often say India is diverse, but in this journey, I really felt it, sir. And coming to the youth in Harshil Valley, we met different people through My Bharat registration drive. Here they interacted with us and they treated me like their own sister, sir. And they just they shown love to me and just give some flowers to me also. And we just interact with them and they asked me that how you came here and what was the process. And I explained about My Bharat to them because I have personal experience from my friends, sir. Because we visited so many places in these 7 days of program. And I shared the pictures, beautiful landscape of Neelang and Jadung Valley, beautiful apple orchards. I shared the pictures in my Instagram and it has huge response from my friends. And here that was created major FOMO from, like they started fear of missing out and started like, how you went? And I just explained about My Bharat and someone said, how lucky you are, and said, I am so jealous of you, Bhavya. You left without us. Like that, the people are messaging me. And I said, I just shared the link to you, but you are not showing interest. But now they are after this thing happened, they just log in into my Bharat also and said next time I will came with you, sir. This is the interaction we had with youth and my friends also, sir.
आंध्र में तो ठंड होती नहीं है, वहाँ तो ठंड बहुत होगी। उस ठंड में कैसे रहना हो गया? इट मस्ट बी वेरी कोल्ड देयर। और दूसरा, वहाँ सूरज बहुत जल्दी निकलता है, सनराइज बहुत जल्दी होता है। तो कैसे मैनेज कर रही थी आप?
Yes, sir. We are the people living in 30 to 40 degree of Celsius. But here in Harshal Valley, it was 5 degree Celsius, sir. We just feel there was a little bit fear inside me. How are we gonna survive there? And after reaching that, but some of the like my birth officials give some kit to us to like jacket, whatever it is, and there was the different type of clothes was there, sir, to wear. And but it's not like there is not that much different, because there is some bed sheets and cloths which was made by woolen, and we also visited some handlooming places where the woolen crafts did happen. It was such a great thing, and we just wear gloves, caps, socks. What we just became like a one army man, like jacket full of green color jacket and full of gloves and trekking shoes. Whatever it is, it made us so warm, sir.
भव्य गारू, आपके हिसाब से उन लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल आप लोगों से कैसे अलग था? आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया
Yes.
अबाउट देयर लाइफस्टाइल?
Yes, sir. So here we are the people. We feel sad for little things, but after the 7 days program, here we just visited different villages like Mukhwa, Dharali, Bhagori. We interacted with the people. They are so humble and down to earth, and they just shown love, care, and with a smile. Always they are smiling like that. And we visited Dharali also, where the landslide occurs, and I interacted with one of the people. Like, it was very hard to live here, right? How you are living, like it was happening, landslide was continuously happening, right? So how you are staying here, like that I asked it. They just answered me with a smile. It will happen, but if we will go from here. It was a native place of us. It was the birthplace of us. If we leave, then who will stay here? Like that they answered. At that time, I realized that how people are so confident here. There are hardships, so many hardships are there, so many things are happening, but they are staying here with lot of confidence. That's the thing I learned from them, sir.
अच्छा, वहाँ के लोगों का डांस बहुत स्लो होता है और बहुत रिदमेटिक होता है। आपने डांस वगैरह सीखा क्या?
అక్కడికి డాన్స్ చాలా స్లోగా ఉంటుంది, రిథమ్ ఉంటుంది.
Yes, sir. The dance was very slow, and in our last day we had cultural activities also. Here we saw some of the cultural activities. The Gadwali song they played, and some of like they danced for that. It was like slow motion. First we felt like why these people are just moving like that. After that we sync with rhythm. It was feel like very good dance. In our state we had like and I'll say in Telugu it was a natu, like full we will dance with full of josh and we just get tired. But there it was slow motion with a rhythm, sir, which felt like a meditation and peaceful thing. We just felt like we just went to dream, and we just seeing like that only. There is no that much hard and not like that, and just we are like dreaming and seeing them. They are just dancing like with a slow motion. We are also dancing with like that.
भव्या गारू, आपसे बात करके ये भावना और सशक्त हुई है कि मेरे देश के युवा के लिए सबसे पहले देश है। The
Yes.
way you have upheld the spirit of एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत will inspire others. अच्छी बात यह है कि आपने खूब मौज मस्ती की। सही में आपकी रील्स देखकर तो आपके आंध्र प्रदेश वाले दोस्तों फोमो में आ गए होंगे। ऐसे ही हमेशा प्रसन्न रहे। बहुत बहुत बधाई।